No matter how familiar you are with your data, being able to ask questions of it naturally is a great way to find insights and explore all that your data has to offer. Let's run through a few examples in the Explorer to see just how easy it is. Simply start asking a question, such as, how are my sales this month? The AI takes this, finds the right metric, and then returns the value. And you can follow up with, how does this compare to last month? Again, the AI interprets your question and shows you that you're up 20% over last month. Let's continue and ask it to break this down by product. And as you can see, we don't have to repeat the word sales all the time. It has context, so it will continue the conversation. Let's ask a slightly more involved question, such as which country had the highest sales? And you'll see that it returns the results in a sorted column so that the highest sales is at the top. How about a question that uses our advanced analytics and forecasting capabilities, such as how are things looking over the next 10 days? And of course, no business runs on a single metric alone, so we could ask a follow-on question such as show me win rate and sales for the past 30 days. Here, the AI understands that you're asking for two discrete metrics. It goes, pulls those in, and visualizes them on a single chart. And perhaps one last thing, all of your questions are easily accessible in this little dialogue. You can very quickly jump back to any of your previous questions.